Good afternoon, guys. How are you guys doing today? So today I'm doing some makeup because it's my dad's birthday today. He's actually 53 years old right now, and we are going to home a pub tonight about 9 o'clock with my sister and her friends and her boyfriend as well. So we are out tonight for a drink tonight, and I don't know what's going on with Mio, but I don't know yet. And he said maybe going out with Mio, so I don't know. I just don't know. So let's get ready, eh? We're almost about 400 subscribers now. So keep pressing subscribers, guys. Keep pressing the button, the subscribe button. Keep pressing it till 100k, yeah? Please. And then tomorrow I'm up in the morning about 8:30 in the morning because I'm going to get ready for going to making some bath bombs tomorrow at Sanderlands Church. So go to Sanderlands Church to make some bath bombs. So yeah. So yeah. So I just can't wait. I'm working on briefs in 1st of July and the 4th. So yeah. Of July on Thursday and Friday. I'll be there about 9 o'clock. So yeah. Last night I went to Durham to get my brother's new car. It's white one this time. So he's got it right now, so I'm happy. He just bought it last night, so I'm happy for that. Then I went to a restaurant for some dinner, dinner out. It was actually amazing. I had homemade lasagna with salad and halloumi fries. It's absolutely really good. I had a vodka and coke as well, and then got back home alright actually. And then that's it really. And then today is my dad's birthday, so going out tonight about 9 o'clock. He said about a meal, so he said maybe going out for dinner for tea tonight, so yeah. I can't believe it at all. And my sister's friends are coming going out tonight as well with her and see my dad. And I want to come as well for my dad's birthday, so yeah. He's actually 53 years old now. So the next one is 54. So yeah. Right, next I'm doing my contour right now. Tonight I'm gonna have a shower, but not yet. When I get back, I think, or have it in tomorrow. My nana is in Calais right now, in my grandma's house. So, yeah, my uncle and uncle Chris and auntie Di came along this morning. Yeah. What?
Mum says I need a shower today before we go out. Alright.
Right.
Okay. Good lass.
You get your towel up.
Yeah, okay. You already told it was yet.
Oh, okay. So, she said, my mum told me that I have a shower tonight, so, yeah, about 4, I think. I have to get ready and put makeup on again. So, yeah, so do my thing. So, yeah, my dad's birthday today, so we're going out tonight. And then back home tomorrow morning at Santa's church. And then, basically, we'll do my eyebrows today, don't we? Do my eyebrows today first, don't we? And then, so yeah. Go to Harry Pub with close friends Jamie, Selby, Tom, tonight, so yeah. So I just can't wait at all for that tonight. So now I'm using this brush up blush. It's actually amazing. So this is for YouTube channel. It's actually really nice brusher palette here. So we haven't seen it tonight, put it in meal out, I think. So I've got my dad's Amazon gift card. I got a £50 on it. Because he always go on Amazon on his phone, so to buy anything, so with that, using it. I'm not using this yet. So first thing today, using this. I'm not having a shower yet until about 4 or 5. I'm gonna get a tea done tonight because I got doing bath bombs tomorrow. So yeah. So yeah. My grandma called my dad today. And then I'm going to use this powder. Perfect. And then blend it out. So I'm going to blend it out now. So right now do the Tammy Revolution actually. So I'm using this brush here. So I'm using this one here actually, guys. This actually so good. I'm having it again tonight. So use this. Now my brother's working today. and the time carriage, and then he just got it back. So that was better, isn't it? And I do my mascara now. So using this first and then do the thing next. This one, it's really nice and colourful mascara. Bless me. You can alright. That's it. So yeah. The time is now, it's almost 3 o'clock. It's 2:50. I'm just going to do my lips. This one YouTube channel actually, guys, so yeah. You can leave some comments or share. Pardon me. sarsaparilla, isn't it? Do this now. Okay, I'm finished now. Right, I'm had to go now. I'll see you guys next video. I'm Anna Merton. Peace out. I'll see you guys next video. Bye guys. Mwah.